Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be showing off my fidgets, and I guess first up is my Rubik's Cube, because I've never been able to solve this. Comment down below if you can solve them, okay? This is really hard. Okay, now how do I get that orange? Need that orange to go there. How do I do that? Wish I could like take these off or something. About like this. Yeah, I can't solve it. Sorry. And then next is my whoopee cushion. They're really cool. I'm not going to do it because the camera might fall over. Sit on it and then it makes a fart sound. But if you put it on a hard surface and then somebody sits down on it, it'll sound like they farted. It's hilarious. I did it once. Next is my pop tube. It's pretty satisfying. Yeah, pretty satisfying. I know I already said that. I got to get this video to 5 minutes somehow. Yeah. What my favorite thing to do? Pull it all the way out. Twist it up. And then pull it. It's really satisfying. So yeah, if you like, comment below if you really like pop tubes, because I do. I have a bigger one, but I don't know where it is. Next is my big poppet. It's pretty satisfying. It's good. Just a regular poppet. Kind of boring, but it's good to mess around with. If you don't know what a poppet is, it's basically infinite bubble wrap. They're really cool. Some of them you can get really loud ones, which are my favorite because they're the best. You also trade with them. You can't battle like Pokemon cards. But yeah, they're satisfying and fun to play with. I have a collection. These are just the first ones I grabbed. And then last but not least is my mini poppet. Yeah. Last is my mini poppet. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's basically this. They're basically the same thing because they're both poppets and they're both pretty much. It's pretty good. Okay, yeah, that's the end of the video. I went through all my poppets and stuff. I have more. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.